Hi everyone, today I'm very excited to introduce you to a brand new feature on the AI Jingle Maker platform, the Audio Canvas. You can find it at aijinglemaker.com/audio canvas. I wanted to experiment with a new way of creating and mixing jingles. You know the original AI Jingle Maker platform, which you can find at aijinglemaker.com, where you can pick an intro, a background, an outro, and blend them with your voiceover, an AI voiceover, or a voice recording, or a file upload. I wanted to try something a bit different, inspired by Canva and Figma, an open canvas where you would be able to drag and drop your file, add your files, use effects from the FX Sound library, which is embedded in the platform, use the voiceovers that you have created with the AI Jingle Maker, also generate new AI voiceovers, and blend all of those things together in a single app on a single page. So, first disclaimer, you cannot use this new feature on mobile. It would be too overwhelming. There would be too much stuff on a small screen. So it only works on desktop, and my preference goes to Chrome. So use it in Chrome on desktop or on your laptop. Your screen size would be ideally minimum 1255 pixel wide. So this being said, I'm going to show you how to use the Audio Canvas. It's super simple. If you can just drag and drop files onto this canvas, you can use the tool. So we will start by exploring the FX Sound library. So all of the effects that you have in the AI Jingle Maker are featured here in those three columns: intro, background, and outro. Let me, for instance, add one of those intros, Swallowed. It will be added straight away to the canvas, and you can move it wherever you want. Important to know that when you export your mix, it will start from the first file that is on the timeline in the canvas. So if you put a file right there, and that's the first file, it will start right here. It won't put a huge silence before the first file. So that way you can just move the files wherever you want. You can duplicate a file if you want to have multiple instances of this swallowed intro, for instance, to add some interstitial effect in your jingle. And we will also pick an outro straight away. We will use, for instance, this warp out outro. Yes, that's one. We can also already reduce the volume of this outro like this. And if I wanted to play this without anything else, I just put my mouse there and I hit enter and it will play. As you can see, just in the order of the canvas. You can put the sounds wherever you want. So if you want to put the sound there and you start again. You see, very simple. As long as you know how to put one thing after the other, you can use the tool. We will add one of the voiceovers that we have already in our library. So if you have generated voiceovers with the AI Jingle Maker, they will appear there in this box, and there will be a pagination. If you have more than 10 voiceovers, the latest ones will be first in descending order. So let's pick this one, for instance. It will also be added to the canvas. It's very fast, and you can put it wherever you want. So we see that we have the swallowed intro, then we have this this file. We can already see that we have to put this outro after that. So let's try this, for instance. Let's remove this duplicate, and let's put the outro just there in the end. And we can hide the controls so that it's clearer for us to see what's happening there if we don't need to change the volume or to duplicate or send to the trash one of those sound files. So let's put the mouse there and let's play it.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
As you can see, very easy. It played, and I could add, and that's the beauty of it, another voiceover to this mix. For instance, Best in London, this one. So I will add it just after my jingle there. And so if I play everything together, this is what we will have.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio, the best radio station in London. Stay tuned.
So you get the idea, and you see that there is a gap here between the best radio station in London and Stay Tuned, and that could be an opportunity, if we show the control, to duplicate the Swallow one and to move it. So let's move the Swallow one there, somewhere there in between. You can put it wherever you want, as I said, so no problem about that. Okay, so let's move this one. Just make sure that you're on it. And I hide control, and I can just play everything together.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio, the best radio station in London. Stay tuned.
That's the value of it. You can also put interstitial sounds using the intros, the outros, etc. And now if I want to put a background, I just go to backgrounds. And let's pick, for instance, which one? Happy Techno. Yeah, this one is pretty cool, I think. So let's add it. So we will just move it under this, but it could be above it. That wouldn't make any difference as long as it's the right position on the canvas. So let's just remove some of the sound here. So when it's in red, it won't be played. So we can just put it there. And yes, we could also add a new outro for the ultimate end. So let's do this. What did we have there? Warp out. Okay. We could do wardrobe, for instance, like this. Okay, let's move this guy there. So I can put it wherever I want, but as long as it's in the end, obviously. Okay, so let's drop it there. Maybe just there, and let's try. So let's play everything.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio, the best radio station in London. Stay tuned.
So I could even maybe move this guy just a little closer there, and I can put my mouse there if I want just to replay this part.
Tune.
Yeah, that's better. Okay, maybe reduce the volume a bit of this one, and I can, as I showed you, hide and show all the control, or I can even hide the header if I want to have more space to play with. And so you can put multiple files on this canvas, go a bit crazy. Just one thing, don't rage click on the space bar, enter, and the mouse. Otherwise, it could just mess the mix of the files. They would start to play together. So after you stop, just wait a bit. One pro tip, if you just play, for instance.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CM.
And then you stop. You will see a little speaker. Maybe you didn't see it, but in the tab there of the website, when the little speaker is gone, you can resume your playback. It's safe. All the files will play in the right order. So let's do it together, maybe.
You're listening to DJ Fred.
So you see there at the top, I've got this little speaker vanishes, and then I can just resume here.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio, the best radio station in London. Stay tuned.
And if I think that my background is a bit too loud, I can just also remove some of the volume there or turn it down. And when I'm happy, I just hit export mix, and it will export it to my computer. And then I can open it in any other software like Audacity, for instance, or play it straight from the computer. So here in Audacity, for instance, I can play the file.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio, the best radio station in London. Stay tuned.
If you're using Audacity, you could even turn up the volume by going to volume and compression amplify, and then turn up the volume a bit if you want.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio, the best radio station in London. Stay tuned.
Let's go back to Audio Canvas. So we have here the mix. If we refresh the browser, it will stay in the local storage. Everything will be there, so you can keep on working on your mix and you won't lose your files. But if you're leaving your computer and you want to keep this mix for later as a template for another creation, you save your mix, and we will call it Audio Canvas Demo, and it will be saved to the cloud. Because I'm an admin of the service, all my mixes are saved as shared, so you can use them as templates to start your own mixes. If you save your mixes, they will be private, and if you save a new version of a shared template, it will also become private. So I can clear my canvas if I want, because I saved my mix there, and I can pick one of the voices there, like Kix, for instance. I can say, welcome to the demo of Audio Canvas, the brand new feature of the AI Jingle Maker, like this, and we call it Kix Demo or Kix Track, like this. So generate voiceover. It will generate the voiceover and deduct one credit. It has been generated. You can play it or you can add it straight to the canvas. So let's add it to the canvas. It's there, as you can see, so I can play it.
Welcome to the demo of Audio Canvas, the brand new feature of the AI Jingle Maker.
Pretty cool. I really love this voice. You can pump it up a bit, and then we will add one of the intros, like this. Okay, let's add an intro there. We can add an outro, like for instance, Monster Swirl. This one, like this. And I can add a background, which one? Maybe one of the latest ones. Like boom, 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 Tech Beats. Yeah, Tech Beats. Let's do this. There we go. So Tech Beats will be a bit louder, so we can just make it a bit quieter, and let's just put this section and play it.
Welcome to the demo of Audio Canvas, the brand new feature of the AI Jingle Maker.
And again, if I want to save it, I just click on export to export the mix, and it will export it to my computer. So this is Audio Canvas. You can use it at aijinglemaker.com/audiocanvas. If you have already unlocked the All Tools add-on on the platform, you can just use this tool straight away. Otherwise, you will have to unlock the All Tools add-on. The All Tools add-on also includes the voice recorder in the AI Jingle Maker, the file uploader in the AI Jingle Maker, and the audiogram maker. It's a one-off lifetime access price. You can purchase your unlock on aijinglemaker.com, and then you can use all of the assets that you have on your computer, the library that we have here. For you can also use the voiceovers library, generate new voiceovers. Don't hesitate to ask me your questions in the comments below, and have fun with Audio Canvas on the AI Jingle Maker platform.